Thank you for inviting me here today. What we do is we make a system that rates job applicants based on an interactive questionnaire. And it's like so many other startups these days, we're using some form of machine learning to do that. Now, why is it important to talk about recruitment in the maritime industry? Well, you're not always going to get it right. So sometimes you're going to get the wrong person for the job. But far more importantly, we need to talk about underperforming crew and the issue with that. Now, we've been in the industry for around 4 years, and we've heard anything from 50 to 100% difference between an underperforming crew and a top-performing crew. So there is a huge issue here that we need to talk about, especially because maritime is a CapEx-heavy industry. The market we're operating in is that of the global recruitment. It's a big market, but an important aspect we need to talk about is the software part of it, the increased digitalization and automation of this industry. Now, this industry is mainly dominated by a few large players, such as SAP SuccessFactors. So as a startup in this space, it's important to think about how you fit into that system. Now, the first version that we launched is back in July 2019 in the retail sector, and that actually integrates into SAP SuccessFactors. In the Smartport Challenge event, we have gotten a letter of intent from TK and from Unity Marine in working towards this. And what we do is we fit in right after people have uploaded their CV, filled out the basic stuff, and before you start doing any interviews with the candidates. So essentially, we don't know where they're going to be in regards to performance. What we can do is we can filter out all the poor performers and essentially double the number of top performers in that pile of applicants that you then continue on with. We do this mainly by looking at your existing organization. Again, there's a huge chance that the future top performers in your organization are going to be much similar to the current top performers. So after we develop the questionnaires, after we develop the questions, we run it on your current employees. And we're then using to benchmark the answers from those top performers in benchmarking the applicants going forward. We make money on this in a fairly standard way in this corporate software world. It's an upfront implementation fee and a service level agreement going on from there. The team consists of me and my co-founder. We're both engineers and have worked together for the last 6 years, 4 of those in the maritime industry. We have 11 developers and 4 business developers on the team. And just like Christina before me, we're also from Denmark. We set up the Kanda Private Limited 6 months ago and are looking to relocate here. So again, to be closer to the market. So essentially what we're looking for is customers, collaborators, people who think this is interesting to explore in their organization, and we'd be happy to work with you. Thank you.